What is going on, YouTube? It is Cons Vlogs. You guys, we're back with another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video, you guys, we gotta have a talk. We gotta have a serious talk. CT5-V Blackwing, the SS or the Camaro is gonna have to leave. I think we've come to a conclusion. We know what we're gonna do, so we're gonna talk about that today, go over some of the reasonings behind it, as well as we're gonna include some rips of the SS, just like some rips. I'm probably gonna get some outside clips, probably gonna get some inside clips. It'll be cool, guys. So stay tuned, and if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button down below. Helps us out so much, you guys. We've got a brand new 2022 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing coming, as well as a supercharged 2016 Chevy SS with a built engine, LSA blower, meth cam, all the goods, and my bolt-on 2015 2SS Camaro 1LE. If you're a car guy, if you're a car girl, hit that subscribe button down below, you guys. We're gonna get into it today. We got a school zone coming up, but before we do much in the car, we need that gasoline, that octane, baby. Freaking Utah, man, we got fresh snow this week. Mountains are nice and coated right now. I absolutely hate it. The Camaro. Look at that thing, man. Makes it so much nicer in traffic. Like, all jokes aside, autos over manuals, man. If you missed my last video on that, I'll link it down below. Go check it out. I love this car. I love this car so much. So hopefully you enjoyed that. We're gonna get more action too. That was just a start, but first we gotta have a bit of a chat. So we're gonna hop in the car. It's a little bit cold out here right now. Okay, you guys, so it's time to get the cat out of the bag here. You already know the new car's coming. And you know, we've kind of been going back and forth on which car to get rid of, the Camaro or the SS, you guys. SS is an expensive car. And I just don't think we're going to be able to keep... No, I'm totally kidding, you guys. We're keeping the SS. We're going to do everything we possibly can to hold on to the SS. But the SS might actually be going up in value. We don't know yet. Because these are really sought-after cars, and they're really cool. And I do appreciate, you know, like the meaning behind these cars and how rare they are and what they stand for and all that good stuff, you guys. I do love this car a lot. The SS is great, and it does everything the Camaro can, but better. I would be an idiot to not try to keep this car, especially after my dad has done this build on it. I mean, we're making almost 700 wheel in this thing. So we're going to try to hold on to the car. We're going to do everything we can to keep it in the garage, you guys. Rest assured. I know that you guys love it, and I know that it's your favorite car on the channel until the Blackwing gets here anyways. That thing is going to be sick, and I think you guys are going to enjoy that a lot, probably as much as I do. And I'm going to take you along with that, you guys, but I was just thinking, and somebody mentioned it in the comments, and if you're watching this video, like, thank you. They put in the comments, imagine your garage if you had the boosted SS and the Blackwing. That would be incredible, you guys. That Blackwing has 659 horsepower. The SS makes Probably over 800 at the crank now. It's a power move. That's a power garage right there. I'm incredibly, like, beyond grateful for the opportunity that I have, that my dad has provided me to drive this car. And to let me use it for the channel to share it with you guys, because that's what I want to try to continue to do, guys. And I know that this brings you guys so much more excitement than the Camaro. You view this more, you get more engaged in the comments, the likes, all that stuff. You guys get passionate about this car, and I love it. That's exactly what I want to do with this channel. So that's what we're going to try to continue to do, guys. So the hopes is that we will get the Blackwing sometime at the end of summer, maybe July, August time, maybe a little bit later. We don't know yet. We don't have an ETA or anything like that. That's it. Camaro's probably going to be leaving the garage. And you guys, plans could change. Stuff comes up. Life happens. But this is what we're thinking. We're going to do that. And with that being said, you guys, the build on the SS is not done. I'm not leaving it here. But my dad's done a phenomenal job on the build. He's had help from JDP Motorsports, Premier Performance, both great shops here in Utah. We're going to be going through them to get some more of the mods done and the tuning and all that great stuff, you guys. But that is going to be like in the future. First things first, I've got to secure this car. I've got to make sure that I can afford it. Big car guy. It's what I want to spend my money on, and I want to share it with you guys. So your subscriptions, your comments, likes, your shares help me out so much, you guys. If you could just share the videos with one person, if it brought you any kind of value, if you learned anything, if it made you smile or laugh one time, if you're excited about it, if you're a car guy, anything, you guys, your shares help me so much. And I do appreciate all the support that I have. I think we're about to hit 1,100 subs, which is massive. Thank you guys so much for that. We're going to keep pushing because we got more content on this car coming, you guys. We're going to point it out, but I'm sure you noticed, you guys, we made a little bit of a change to the SS. So, with the warmer season coming around, track season, show season, meet season, all that great stuff, we went ahead and put it back on the Forge Stars, the summer wheels. They look gray right now, or bronze, brown, because they're dusty, but they're black. So there's a Forge Star F14s wrapped in the Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss. A great tire, makes the car perform a lot better, and I mean, it changes the look of the car completely. You guys remember the stocks, it was kind of embarrassing on the stock wheels. It really looks like a Malibu, but this adds a little bit of a sporty car level to it, you guys. We're gonna take the car out and get some sick clips for you guys, because I know you're dying to hear that LSA scream. One cool thing, if I roll up the windows here and put the car in tour mode, and I hope the camera picks this up well. Can you hear the whine? You can hear that LSA whining just a little bit when we get on it. That's cool and all, but I personally like the loud exhaust, so I'm gonna leave it in sport mode. Still get a little bit of that whine, I guess, in sport mode, but like, for the most part, it's just exhaust. It sounds so good though, man. It really does. But I think it needs to be a little bit louder. What do you think? Do you guys think I should make the SS a little louder, maybe with some 3-inch axle backs? I don't know. hooks up so much better on these tires. But you guys, that is gonna close off the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are happy with the decision that we're making. Let me know in the comments down below, what would you take, 2SS1 LE 5th gen, or this, the Chevy SS with the LSA supercharger, you guys. Again, please browse the channel, hit that subscribe button down below. We've got the BLACKWING coming, you guys. If you've missed any of my videos on that, go ahead. I'll link the playlist down below. I've got a few on there, you guys, including us speccing it out and then going over the spec. But thank you so much for watching, you guys. Give it a thumbs up. Again, share it with just one friend. It helps me out so much. I'll talk to you guys on my next video.